Are you a health-conscious individual? Or simply looking for the best-tasting chocolate or snack on the market? Or perhaps you're an elite athlete who doesn't want to compromise on the quality, or you may be a business owner who needs a quick booster meal without all the fluff, but all the taste and the quality. Energy Pods fill all of these needs and more. My name is Corey. I'm a partner to Ketogeek, a science and fun-loving business who produces energy pods. The pods are a unique, compact meal replacement with a rich, creamy texture that explodes with flavor. So delicious, you will wonder, how is this a health product? We believe healthy foods should taste absolutely amazing, hence our mission to continue innovating foods for the future. Energy pods are sort of in a niche of their own. They are shelf-stable, utilize a blend of ingredients that immediately satisfy hunger, and taste great on top of it all. Due to its positioning as a novel idea never before seen on the market, we knew we would face challenges with who energy pods be a great match for. These were initially created for those who live a crazy busy lifestyle and has little to no time to slow down to put together a healthy and fulfilling meal. We realized that everyone on this planet lives their own busy lifestyle, whether you're a chef, a parent, or a space traveler, and have identified reasons why energy pods are a great match for anyone. Who are the pods for? To put it shortly, the energy pods have been formulated for all of humanity. You may already be familiar with the hunger-smashing and extremely tasty properties that the energy pods have, but do you know how they would work for any lifestyle? Energy pods for the athletes. The people behind Ketogeek have always valued athleticism. We've been in the fitness, exercise, and nutrition industry for more than a decade. We understand your needs for fueling, whether you're an ultramarathoner, a cyclist looking to burn fat as fuel, or a yogi who's looking to get that clean energy for endurance, a CrossFitter looking to boost energy, or even a resistance trainer looking to stay satiated while under low body fat percentages. And energy pods for the extremist. There has been lots of research conducted when it comes to being in the state of ketosis while exploring or challenging some extreme environments. From the research at NASA's NEMO space exploration project to someone like Adrian Bollinger, who climbs Mount Everest in a state of ketosis without using supplemental oxygen. The energy pods come in a tough, crush-resistant packaging that can be consumed at freezing temperatures as an ice cream or in hot climates to reach a melty, syrupy consistency. For the family, many of our customers at Ketogeek, however, are not athletes or climbing mountains. They're normal people who have families, obligations, and jobs. They are short on time and lost in the world of food and nutrition. This includes mothers and fathers who want to spend more time with their families or their kids who want to have a healthy snack. Considering the fact that diabetes is now becoming a fast-growing problem among teens, the energy pods have been used by many customers to manage their busy life as a healthy snack on the go or as a snack for their kids, knowing well that every single ingredient in the pods have been carefully tested and explored. Energy pods for the business shark. In the world of business, time is money. You can spend 1 hour grabbing a meal, or you can power through that meeting using energy pods and then go spend time with your family or grab a beer after the busy day. Are you stuck in traffic? Are you mounting a plane or feeling like life doesn't have a pause button? The energy pods will free up your time and reduce your stress. The most valuable asset you have in life is time. Energy pods give you more of that time. Energy pods for the chef. Being in Napa, the food and wine mecca of the world, we hold food to a very high standard. Our city is home to world-class and Michelin-starred restaurants, such as the French Laundry or La Toque. Our energy pods capture the essence of local cuisines when it comes to quality. From hand-picked, hand-churned classic sweet cream European butter used to make ghee, to the premium California blanched almonds, to the chocolatier grade cacao, to freshly ground, locally roasted coffee beans to fat-extracted natural flavors, the energy pods are a foodie's best friend. Add some chocolate chips and some whipped cream to the energy pods, and you will have a very decadent dessert you can only find at the highest-end Italian restaurants. Energy pods for the food scientist. If you really like to geek out about the structure of foods, the particle size, the flavor profiles, and disintegration kinetics, you are speaking our language. At Ketogeek, we like to observe how various thickening agents and particle size can have an influence on texture, viscosity, and various other factors. How fat crystallization can influence the mouthfeel and melting of the fats, and much, much more. It is also fascinating. Our product is always evolving and pushing the boundaries of human learning. Energy pods for the nutritionist. Whether you're on a low-carb diet or not, one thing that is now universally accepted is that sugar and refined carbohydrates wreck your health. They can cause tooth decay and a plethora of chronic issues down the road. If you're a big fan of preventative care, rather than the current model buying cheap food now and paying an arm and a leg later, literally through diabetic amputations through the rest of your life. The energy pods are fantastic for anyone who has explored nutrition science and understands how food structure and nutritional composition can have a drastic impact on human health. Energy pods for the winemaker. In Napa, we are surrounded by world-class winemakers, and everyone knows you've not tried the best of wines until you've had a Napa cab. We are lucky to personally know winemakers, and it was with these people we paired the energy pods with wine and found out something magical. Unlike sugary products, the energy pods coat your mouth with a strong flavor, and then the alcohol from the wine comes in and wipes your palate clean. It's an awesome experience, a match made in heaven, and you have to try it. Check out the chocolate fudge energy pod with a glass of bold red or fruity white, and you'll notice this magic yourself. Energy pod for the camper. With sturdy construction and shelf stability of nearly 2 years, the energy pods are a camper and a traveler's best friend. Instead of packing pounds and kilos of containers and material that will go to waste, just grab a box of energy pods and you're set for a long excursion using a compact and tasty, healthy food products. All this, less hassle, just gives you more time to explore and experience the world around you. Energy pods for the space traveler. In a crazy world these days, sometimes you only have to look up for inspiration. The universe is massive and expansive. When we look at the energy pods, we see the possibilities that are beyond the stars to the galaxies far, far away. With a lightweight construction, a compact form, it's only a matter of time before energy pods will become a staple for the explorers of the unknown. When it comes to space, the name of the game is efficiency and recycling resources. The energy pods nail that and will continue to evolve as our knowledge evolves. The usages and the benefits of energy pods are boundless. Energy pods can be formulated to suit any lifestyle and satisfy any type of palate. They can free up time in any schedule by replacing a meal entirely or be used as a tasty supplement to a favorite meal. Reclaim your time and energy with energy pods to pursue your greatest endeavors instead of wandering around looking for the healthiest food option. As you can see, energy pods are a product for everyone. Good food is just good food. It is a gateway to experiences and all of the possibilities. So, go and buy the energy pods. Bring them into your life and change the world.